The next project on our list is converting existing attic space into a bedroom. Now, it depends on how a house is constructed as to whether or not there's available space for this type of project, but this house is perfect. There are a number of things to consider when you're converting an attic space into living area. First is good access. So here we'll have to cut out a few rafters and put a few headers in order to provide adequate headroom through here. Second consideration is that very thing, headroom. And in most attic rooms, you're using your roof rafters as your ceiling joist, attaching your ceiling material below it, and of course insulation in between. And it's always nice to have natural light in any room, and in an attic space like this you have a couple alternatives. One, you can go with a skylight or a roof window, but in this case the gable is the outside wall, so we can put a few windows in there and take care of that. But the most important consideration is to make sure your floor system is strong enough. If the existing ceiling joists for the room below are not adequate to support a live load, it may be necessary to supplement them by adding new floor joists on top, running perpendicular. You'll also want to look for any plumbing and vent pipes that will need to be rerouted to accommodate the new floor, as well as air conditioning and heating ducts that have to be moved. For a little extra room, you might consider adding a dormer to the space, which will also add more natural light to the area, making it seem even larger. When it's done right, an attic room can be a great addition to your home.